up, YouTube? Back at it again with another video, guys. We're here at the E station getting some elote, and we're going up to the crest, or no, we're going up to G right now. There's some runs over there. I'm bored. I'm just gonna go check it out real quick, trying to get some content for you guys. Car's on E30 still, so we're gonna run on E30. That should be it, guys. And I have my head strap, so it's gonna be POV videos, so hopefully it looks good. All right, guys, I don't know how the view looks, but we're about to run the Mustang. We wanted to do a 50 roll. To be honest, I don't know what gear that is. I never done 50s like that, so we going, yeah. All right, cool. I'm gonna wait for these cars to go, because then we'll probably catch up. So 50, I think that's third gear still. Okay, okay. All right, let's go. That was lit. Man, I never done a 50 before, but oh, it's pretty sick. Hopefully the GoPro got it good. Man, I think it's sketch. That was good shit though. All right, guys, that was good. Pretty dope whips. Camaro versus 340i. Camaro got it. I'm trying to run that bet right there. My boy Landshark over there. It's dark. This is the Mustang I just ran right now. I'll put that video up. This Corvette looks pretty sick too. Yeah, looking good. What's up, player? What's done to it? Huh? What's done to it? Oh, really? Man, you trying to get a run? What? The M3? The white one? No. Yeah, let's do it. I'm trying to get content, dog. I just raced him right now. This white Mustang. I'm gonna just beat the 340. Jeez. I'm that. Woo, my shit look good. What's this? Alright, guys, I'm about to go run that Camaro. This is food right here. Y'all, yo, M3's putting in work. Shout out my boy Saul for recording. Appreciate it. So I'm gonna run 2 more Corvettes. I think they're both 06s. Let me see what my boy gotta say. Hold it. Hey, jump? Huh? Did I jump? I don't know, bro. When you took off, I took off. Oh, it was good. I jumped. I wasn't sure. I was like, you still beat me though. It's good, bro. I'm about to get gapped right now. Hey, you don't have those tires on for fucking looks. Sheesh. I'm all good with it, bro. Man. Hey, people cry when they take L's. Like have these guys been standing out here and they're not trying to race nobody because, oh, it's NA versus Boost. That's not fair.
Wow, that's crazy.
Like, what?
It's pretty packed. They don't want to run nobody. You're gonna honk it off or?
Let me get this. 60 run. Hey, when? You want him to count it down?
No.
Or you want to honk it off? We're too loud, huh?
Count it. No,
Count it?
It's not loud. It's not loud.
Damn, look at that big ass smile. I'm about to get this M3. All right, man.
Countdown.
60?
All right.
Yeah, 60.
Hey, that shit moves. That shit moves, bro. Huh? Damn. Hey, let's switch cars. Oh, guys, we got kicked out. Cops just pulled up. I'm gonna go home. Alright guys, so the cops came, so we had to bounce. So I did 3 runs. I tried to get as many runs as I could, and nothing really, nobody really wanted to run. Everybody's asking like NA versus Turbo, whatever. So whatever. So I raced the Mustang, a Camaro, and that Z06 Corvette, and the best race I had was that Z06 Corvette. Did he beat me? And actually came around quick. Again, guys, the car is only E30. It's the stock turbos, OTS tune. I'm not custom yet. If I were, I think it would have been a better chance. Custom tune, full bolt on an E. I would have been making like 650, guys, but I'm still OTS E30. Following my boy right now. He's in front of me with the 340i. We're gonna go link up real quick, and then I'll show you guys the whips we're linking up with.